We are here in San Jose at the Cisco Executive Briefing Center to talk about the Session Border Controller, or SBC. To enable the growth of voice over IP, video streaming, IM, and more, service providers need to interconnect their IP networks to both customers and other service provider IP networks. That's why Cisco developed the SBC. The Cisco Session Border Control solution represents a set of functions that are integrated into the Cisco routing platforms to control, secure, and manage multimedia IP traffic flowing across network borders, like service provider to service provider, or from an enterprise into a service provider. And this traffic could be voice over IP, video over IP, or conferencing traffic like the Cisco telepresence. With a broad range of Cisco routing platforms supporting session border control functions, service providers can now use the same edge or peering router for SBC functions as well. The integration of session border control functions into the Layer 2, Layer 3 services eliminates the need for overlay networks or standalone SBC appliances. The Cisco session border control functions are not only built on top of the admission control, security, and quality of service features that the routing platforms provide, but they also provide certain unique features like VPN awareness, virtualization, and other features that are just not possible with standalone SBC appliances. There are three basic deployment options for session border controllers. First, service provider to service provider interconnect. Service providers are looking to interconnect with other service providers using an IP-based interconnect for their multimedia traffic. This not only improves the media quality, but also reduces the costs associated with legacy TDM-based interconnects. The second deployment option is at the edge of the service provider network to handle traffic coming from an enterprise. Session border controllers deployed there give the service provider the ability to control, secure, and manage the multimedia traffic coming into their network from the enterprise. The third deployment option is actually the enterprise edge itself. The session border controller deployed at the enterprise edge manages the voice or video traffic going in and out of the enterprise, either into other enterprises or into a service provider. Regardless of the deployment options, Cisco has a broad range of routing platforms providing these session border control functions, from the ISR to the 7200, the 7600, and the XR 12000 series. With the XR 12000 series, we have an open and flexible architecture suitable for all service provider deployments and can be deployed in IMS or non-IMS environments. To learn more about the Cisco Session Border Control solution, please visit the other resources on this webpage or contact your Cisco representative.